Hello children, do you know how our heart works? Let us learn today how human heart works. Before I start with, we already know that our heart is four chambered, right? And it is having four chambers. The upper chambers are called auricles and the lower one they are called as ventricles, right? So we know we have right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. These are the four chambers of our heart. We also know the blood vessels which carry blood from our heart to different parts of the body. What are they called? They are called arteries, right? And the blood vessels which carry impure blood from our different parts of the body back to heart, what are they called? They are called as veins, right? Now let us see how these arteries and veins are carrying the blood and how heart is pumping and carrying the blood to different organs of our body. Okay, now let me start with, we already know that veins carry the impure blood. Impure blood means the blood which is brought from different parts of the body and which is not rich in oxygen. It is rich in carbon dioxide. Now the impure blood is carried to the right side of our heart. From the upper portion of our body, there is a big vein. It is called as superior vena cava. And from the lower portion of our body, another vein called inferior vena cava. These two veins, they bring the impure blood, deoxygenated blood, that is carbon dioxide rich blood. These two veins will bring it to the right side of our heart, that is to right auricle. Okay, inside the right auricle, the impure blood is carried from the lower portion by this inferior vena cava and from upper portion superior vena cava. Now in the next stage, from the right auricle, that is from right auricle, this impure blood is pumped to right ventricle. Okay, the walls of the right ventricle are very thick. They are contracting, relaxing, and finally they get this impure blood. This impure blood is pumped by right ventricle into an artery which is called as pulmonary artery. Now what is the function of pulmonary artery? This pulmonary artery will carry this impure deoxygenated blood to lungs. So we know we have two lungs, right? So to the lungs, this pulmonary artery is carrying impure blood, right? Now the pure blood, what is happening once this impure blood is carried to lungs? In the lungs, we know the process of breathing, exchange of gases takes place, right? Which involves inhalation and exhalation. During this process, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. So the oxygen is exchanged with the carbon dioxide. This deoxygenated blood will give carbon dioxide and in turn it will give oxygen, which is carried from the lungs. Oxygen rich blood is carried from the lungs by another set of blood vessels which are called as pulmonary veins. So you need to be clear, pulmonary artery is the artery which is carrying impure blood to lungs, and from the lungs pure blood is carried by a vein which is called as pulmonary vein. These pulmonary veins, a set of veins, these veins which are coming from the lungs, they carry pure blood, right? You can see, suppose these are the pulmonary veins. Now these pulmonary veins are bringing the pure blood to which portion? They are bringing to left side of our heart, that is left auricle. From the left auricle, from these holes, from the left auricle, these are all veins which are connected to our left auricle. From the openings of these veins, this rich, oxygen rich blood is pumped into the lower portion, that is left ventricle. It is also thick walled and it also contracts, relaxes and ultimately pumps the blood, the pure oxygen rich blood from the left ventricle. It is pumped into a large artery, which is the largest artery in our body, which is called as aorta. Clear? Now what is the function of aorta? From this aorta, it is having many network of arteries, and we know arteries are the blood vessels which carry oxygen rich pure blood to different parts of the body. Clear, children? Now this aorta is carrying pure blood to different parts of the body. In turn, from the different parts of the body, the carbon dioxide rich impure blood is brought back by set of two veins, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. In this way, the impure blood is brought to right side and it is carried to lungs through pulmonary artery, and from the lungs, pulmonary veins are carrying pure blood to left side. From the left side, it is again pumped, pure blood is pumped to different parts of the body through the largest vein, which is called as aorta. Clear, children? Now let me give you a complete idea about the pathway of flow of blood. See, first superior vena cava and inferior vena cava are the two veins, right, which are bringing the blood to which portion? Right auricle, this one. From the right auricle, the blood is pumped to right ventricle, right. From the right ventricle, the blood is carried to an artery which is called as pulmonary artery. What is pulmonary artery doing, children? Pulmonary artery carries the impure blood to lungs. In the lungs, exchange of gases takes place and the pure blood is pumped back through vein. So pulmonary artery is carrying the blood to our lungs. Okay? From the lungs, the pure blood, it is carried to through pulmonary veins. From the pulmonary veins, it is carried back into left auricle. From left auricle to left ventricle, and from left ventricle it is passed to the largest artery, which is called as aorta, right. And from aorta it is pumped to different parts of our body. Okay, clear, children? So this is the gist, this is the complete pathway how the blood is pumped by our organ, that is pumping organ, which is present in our body, which is also called as double pump. It is circulating the blood, pure and impure blood, in this pathway. There are two more points which you should make a note. It is pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries impure blood, and pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries pure blood. Okay, children? I hope this topic is clear to you all. See you all again in my next class. Thank you.